Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 6.6. Divide to find the quotient Q and remainder R. Quotient. Q is a short form of quotient and R is a short form of remainder. So that first question is that 2, 8, 4 divided by 3. So similarly this one also we will do. That 2, 8, 4 divided by 3, 2, 8, 4. So that 3 9 ja 27. That 1 is left. That 4. So 3 4 ja 12. That left is 2. So that is a quotient. So quotient is equal to 94. Remainder is equal to 2. So like this we will write in this exercise. Second question 3 4 0 divided by 6. So similarly this one also 6 5 ja 30 and then left is 4 0 6 5 ja 6 6 ja 36 6 6 ja 36 and the remainder is 4. So quotient is equal to 56 and remainder is equal to, that will be 4. Now the question number 5. 800 divided by 6. So 800 divided by 6, that will be 6 1 ja 6 and then left is 2 0 6 3 ja 18. That left is 2 0 6 3 ja 18 and then left is 2. So quotient is equal to 133 and remainder is equal to 3. Now question number 6 also. 6 700 divided by 9. So 700 divided by 9, that will be 9 8 ja 64. Then left is 6 0. So 9 7 ja 56. That 4. So remainder is equal, quotient is equal to 87. Remainder is equal to 4. And then 7th question also see that 900 divided by 8. So 8 divides 900. 8 1 ja 8. 1 is remainder 0 by next digit. 8 1 ja 8. 2 is remainder, then next digit. 8 2 ja 16, then left is 4. So quotient is equal to 1 1 2, remainder is equal to 4. Then 7th question is done. 8th question done by yourself. See that 9th question. 4 8 1 8 divided by 8. So 4 8 1 8 divided by 8, that will be 8 6 ja 8 6 ja 48 and then this is a 0 remainder. So 1 8 0 ja 0, that remainder is 1 and then next digit 8. 8 2 ja 16, then remainder is 2. So quotient is equal to 602 and remainder is equal to 2. Now question number 10. 4900 4900 divided by 9. So 9 4900, that 9 5 ja 45 and then 4 is remainder, then left 0. 9 4 ja 36, then remainder is 4 then 0, 9 4 ja 36, so that remainder is 4. So quotient is equal to 87, remainder is equal to 4. Now question number the 10, 11, 12. Last question done by yourself. 9200 divided by 7. So 7 divides 9200. 7 1 ja 7. 2 is remainder. 2 7 3 ja 21. That 1 0 7 1 ja 7. That 3 0 7 4 ja 28. Sorry, 7 1 ja, there is 1. Then 2. So quotient is equal to 1 3 1 4. Remainder is equal to 2. Now the 12th question, that is question number 14. 14. 5 3 1 4 divides 6. 5 3 1 4 divides 6. So 6 8 ja 48. 6 9 ja 54. 6 8 ja 48, and then left is 5 by next digit, that is 51, and then again 8 ja 48 by subtraction, that is 3 4. 6 5 ja 30, and then 4. So quotient is equal to 8 8 5, and remainder is equal to 4. Question number 14. Now question number 15. 5006 divided by 5. So 5. This is just difficult type of question. 5 1 ja 5, that's 0. Next digit is 0. So 0 1 0 5 ja 0, that 0. Next digit is 0 0 0, then 0, and then next digit is 6. 5 1 ja 5, then 1. So quotient is equal to 101, and remainder is equal to 1. This is the question number 15. 16 you can do. 17 also. 18. 18th question. 7001 divided by 8. So 8 divides 7001. So 8 8 ja 64, and then left is 6 0. 8 7 ja 56, and then 4 is left, then 1. 8 5 ja 40, then 1. So quotient is equal to 875, remainder is equal to 1. And then last question 20. Other part done by yourself. 9008 divides 5. So 9008 divided by 5, that 5 1 ja 5 4 0, that 5 8 ja 40, then 0. Next digit is 0 0 5 ja 0, then 0. Next digit is 8. So 5 1 ja 5, then 3 is remainder. So quotient is equal to 1801, and remainder is equal to 3. Okay.